Okay, hello YouTube. This is going to be a video review. Another one of these cool vintage Kwikevers. This version has a little spinning knob with the metal bolt in there. And it comes through the back. You hear it squeaky or not? It comes through the back. And it tightens better than the regular version. This one, ow, my arm. This version has a dark brownish green color mounting bracket. The normal ones have black with a little red on it. And there's another comparison. It's almost exactly the same as the older one that I have. The mounting bracket's the same for all of them. It doesn't matter which one you put in there, they fit. I wanted to get this one because it's a different color and it has a cool little knob on it that's a little bit different. I could actually show you the words on the back. This one's not spray painted over. Kwiver Acme, and it says Breviet 1981. And the little logo is kind of faded, but it's got a little deer in there. It's cool. This one just has the words right there. That one is probably the same age as this one, but it just has a different variation in method. And it doesn't have the little mini hole right here. The other version just has a little spot where the lug nut screw is rubbed against it. The other ones usually come with a, you can see they're not flathead screwdriver mounted little nut. This one didn't have one. Came with it, so I had to just put these Allen wrench ones that are flatter ones. It seems like that it was catching on the bottom of this when I used the flathead screwdriver mountable one. What you do is you put it in here. Come on, go in there. I'm trying to do it one-handed and my arm's sore a little bit. For medical reasons, I can't tell you why. It's stuck on the little screw. You have to unscrew it first. Then you just slam it down. And the red part clicks in. You hear it squeaking. Now it's tight. Shouldn't wobble. And the same has the same brown at the bottom Arctic 2 tag on it with the trademark right there. These are meant for thinner carbon arrows. Oh. I got this little thing on the end that I found. Thinner carbon arrows can fit through these. Not for microcarbon, but I mean the 500 spine or bigger, or 400 spine maybe. This one hasn't been used in a long time, it seems. I'm trying to put it in there. It's getting stuck on something because the arrows. Where's the hole at? I can't see the hole. Of course, you can't see the hole because it's dark and it's in the corner down there. The little holes where the broadhead field points go in. Holds them in there. You can see them or not. They're in there now. This is another 6-arrow quiver version. Looks a lot nicer than the camo spray painted one. But I like these two-tone green and dark brown color archery stuff. This one's still cool. I just wanted another one that looked a little bit cooler design wise. This one was only 20, this one was 25, and it had the cool spinning knob on there. And so that arrow's in there. Carbon 500 arrow. One of these SP 500 Predator Tiger Archery. It's in there good. You can pop it out like this easily. Pull it back out of there. And shoot it whenever you want. This little thing on the end here is kind of cool, I found. It's actually a medical accessory. Can't tell you what it is, but if you can guess what that is, you'll know. I don't want to tell you because it's not something important medical accessories to talk about on YouTube, really. Okay, so it's on there. All you do is push the red and then untighten it. Looks great with this color scheme. A little bit more than I did with the camo black and brown and green one. I have a separate bow. I could put this other one on if I wanted to. Oh, heartburn. I gotta drink this for a second. But Kwiver is still not making new ones of these. They're the 6-arrow quiver with the plastic hood on them. I don't know if their company went under really or not, but they're really cool. They'll always have the brown at the bottom where the arrows hold. Stick rubber. Okay, this video is going a little bit longer. I like this style a little bit more because it has this unscrewable lug nut bolt on the top. Of course, it's not going to let me do it one-handed. Pop it back off. There we go. They're really easy to pop off and on. That's why they're a little bit better than this version. This Allen one is a little lame. You just untwist the little rubber thing and push it up. But it gets stuck though. Oh, the ball almost fell off the ground. This Allen Intimidator one is a little bit cheaper quality for what it is. This was, I think it was still $20 though, but this little lug nut screw is a little bit low quality. And the mounting bracket on the Allen Intimidator is just cheap plastic, not like this where it's really thick plastic. Kwiver is a cool brand. You can get a hold of one. You know what I mean? And that little screw lug nut noise is pretty funny. It's kind of squeaky. Any Kwiver will have this square, long rectangular piece of the red on it. And the little knob they push up. The knob pushes up. And just put it on any kind of bow. It's mounted on the third lug nut screw of this bow sight that I'm using. Okay, end video now.